How to make clickable link in resume on Canva. So for example, let's say you would like to redirect persons to a particular website. All you need to do is select the text. Then after you have selected the text, you're going to tap on the link icon and you could paste in your website URL. So we'll copy the URL and I'm going to go back into Canva and you could paste in the URL right there. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on done, then select done once more. Now, if it is a case that you would like to redirect persons to your email address, so you like to make your email address clickable, all you'll need to do is select your email address on your Canva resume. Then you could paste in your email address. So let me collect my email address right here. And I'm going to go back into Canva. Then I'm going to select the email address from the left-hand column. Then tap on link. And we're going to add in our email address right there. Then you're going to tap on done. After you have done that, if it is a case that I were to select share, and you're going to tap on download, and you want to ensure that you have selected PDF, and you're going to select download. After selecting download, once it has been downloaded, if we were to preview it, so let me do that real quick. If we were to preview it, as you can see right here, and someone were to tap on this particular link, they'll be redirected to my website. And if they were to tap on the email address, it will automatically open up email and they'll be able to message me. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.